Hi everyone. So today I'm going to show you how to make a chain bracelet. So I have my chain here. This is the chain I'm going to use. And I have jump rings and I have my beads, recycled glass beads. So yeah, these are some of the beads that I'm going to use for the chain bracelet. And I have charms as well. So this is a dolphin and others. So I'm going to show you how to put the head pin and make a loop. Yeah, so I'll put the head pin through the bead and make a loop, so that I'll be able to link the bead to the chain with a jump ring. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead to show you how I achieved this. So I have my jump ring. I'll put a bead on it. Then I pick my recycled glass bead. Then I put another bead on it like this. And then I cut a few inches off the pin and make my loop. Okay, so this is it. Let me put this away and do another one. Okay, here you go. I'm doing another one. So this is another beautiful recycled glass bead. This one, that's the nice designs were hand painted. So just put it on it like this. There you go. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I have a lot of the beads here already, so let me just add them to what I just made. Okay, so I'm going to link the beads to the chain. Yeah, so there's a jump. These are jump rings. These are jump rings. Okay, so these are the jump rings. So I'll just open the jump ring like this. It can be quite slippery. Okay, so the jump ring is open. Now I'll just pick one bead like this, then I'll link it to my chain. Okay, so I have one bead on the chain now, so I'm going to do the same to the other beads. So I'm going to do it till I fill the whole chain. So watch me as okay. All right, now just put this away. Okay, going to continue with the other beads. So as you can see, I'm doing the same to both sides of the chain. I'm putting beads on both sides of the chain. So I'm closing the jump ring. So at this point, I want to put a charm on it. I think the bracelet is coming out nice. Okay, it's not well opened, so this is a big chain, so I need to open the jump ring well before I can go on it. Okay, so I have one charm on it. As you can see, the bracelet is coming out nice. So I'm going to continue. Okay. Okay, I think I want to put it on this side because I already have the same bead on that side. Okay, so we have this. This is what we have now. I'm going to continue to put more beads on it. As much as possible, I want to put a lot of beads on it. But it depends on how you want it. You can just put a few beads on it if you want, but I want to fill it with a lot of beads. Okay, it's coming out nice. I have the round bead, recycled glass bead. Okay, so wow, this is really nice. I think I want to put about 3 of the charms on it now. No, 2 more. I already have one, so I'm going to put 2 more charms on it. So that's nice. Let me put it at this end. Yeah. Okay, here we go. We put another one. Okay, I want this somewhere here. Okay. Wow. This is nice. Looks like there's space here, so we need to fill the side. Okay. Okay. So now this is what we have. I don't want to stop. I want to put more beads on it. I want to put all the beads I have on it now. Okay. So let's see. There's space here. Still have a lot of beads left. Okay. Okay, so this is what we have now. It looks full, but let's see. Let me see how it looks like. Okay, I think more beads can go on now. You can still put more beads on it. Okay, this is what we have now. We still have a few beads left. Now let's see how. Okay, it looks like the charm came off, so let me fix it back. Okay. Okay, so let's see how it looks. I think we've got a lot of beads on it now, so but let me add just about 2 more, then our bracelet will be done. Yeah, so now I'm going to put the clasps on it. So at one end I just put a jump ring on it like this, and I attach my clasps to it. Okay, so let me just put these beads back in the charm. Okay, so we need one more jump ring at the end. Okay, like this is okay. Yeah, so the bracelet is done. So this is how it looks like. Let me just, okay. Okay, let me just fix it. Yeah, so basically this is it. I mean, once, yeah, this is how it looks. And this is it. So this is how the bracelet looks like. Okay, so this is it. Yeah, so I'll put it on my wrist, so you can check out the picture on Instagram how it looks like. The link to our Instagram will be put in the description box, so you can look how it looks on my wrist. Okay, thanks for watching, and if you've not yet subscribed to the channel, please do. Bye.